Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. This is the channel where I review anything and everything. If I need it, I'll buy it, I'll use it, and I will review it. And today we are going to be taking a look at this wheel chuck that I got from Amazon. Price on this one at the time of the video is $33.85. The price on this one at the time of purchase is also $33.85. Now that price may have changed by the time you watch this video, so just keep that in mind. This is from a company called Relliancer. Relliancer, right? This is a 2-pack wheel chuck. It is advertised to be heavy duty. This is an extra large industrial rubber wheel chuck, right? This would be used for your vehicle, van, a trailer you have for a boat or a truck or what have you. This can even go for RVs or commercial vehicles, right? This whole thing is made out of rubber. And this particular product right here has that reflective strip. I think that's just a sticker. Yeah, this one is coming off already. That's just a sticker for reflective so that people can see it. Drivers can see it. Normally this would be in shipping and receiving on places that drivers go to. It has this staircase, kind of remind me of a stair, right? Coming up the stair design right here. Now this one measures at 6 inches from here. Let me show you right here, from here to here, right? And that's also the same measurements at the bottom right here. And then on the side right there, from this distance right here all the way to the back, that measures at 10 inches or just a little over 10 inches. And of course the height from the back here, from this height, or from this side all the way to the bottom on this side, that measures at 7 inches or just over 7 inches. And then this thickness right here is about 1 inches. Now I purchased this product right here not for the purpose of chucking the wheel of my vehicle, right? I purchased this product for something else, and that is for my pulley system, right? For my pulley system. And I'm hoping that this idea will work for the majority of you guys out there. It may not work with all of you. It is possible that some of you have come up with something else to go around the idea that I have for a pulley system. But I am hoping that to the majority of you out there, this idea right here will be a great help. Let me just give you a quick rundown here of the pulley system that I have and been using. It is a company called XONYICOS, and of course I got it from Amazon. So the pulley system came with these 2 handles right here. One is the rope and the other one is a straight bar, and it came with 2 pulley system right here. The other one right now is hanging on my rack, and also it came with 2 of this wire rope. This is the shorter one, 60 inches, and the other one is 70 inches, and it came with 3 of these carabiners. And also the loading pin has this plastic shielding on it. I stopped using this one because I run into a problem. This area right here begins to get bulky. I don't know how that happened. So every time I load up the Olympic weights on it, it would not fit. So I just had a hard time loading it and taking the weights out. So I just took it out. So I'm gonna put a full review on this pulley system right here on the description below. So please check that out. Here is the rest of that pulley system right here from XONYICOS. Again, I already did a full review of this system. I will link that video below. I'm currently right now using, or at today, right, when I do my workout, I used my easy bar, curling bar there to do some rows and lat pull down. And normally when you go to a gym, a commercial gym, when you go to the machine, the lat pull down, or the pulley system that they have, you would have some sort of a step, right, so that you can brace yourself so that when you're pulling the weight doesn't pull you. Well, recently I ran into that problem whether I'm standing or whether I'm sitting on my bench here, and when I would start to load up heavier weights on the pulley system here, I ran into the problem to where the weight I'm pulling is pulling me, and it was beginning to be hard to stabilize myself on the ground, and it was just not doing good. So what I did is I took my straight bar, my Olympic straight bar, and just kind of wedged it against my rack here. And now what I did earlier is I would put my foot right there, right? So now I can sort of brace myself and stabilize myself a little bit better than standing and just, just gripping my foot on the ground so that that weight right there doesn't pull me. But then I ran into another problem to where whenever I would load up heavier weights, my foot here is beginning to feel some pain, right, on this side and on the other side, because that's not really a very comfortable stuff there to brace yourself with. And that's when I came up with the idea of using wheel chocks, right? So what if I'll use wheel chocks so that I can put my foot more comfortably than just using the Olympic bar. By the way, the wheel chock here has handles that you can hold onto for, if you want to move it around places. So now with this setup right here, my foot is a little bit more comfortable, right? The position is somewhat good, right? It's better than using my bar there. So now, and I actually use this today for my workout session, and it seems to work well, right? It seems to work way better than before. So this idea right here, I hope that this can be a help to most of you guys. Of course, you do not have to get this particular brand. They have other brands there that has a smoother surface right here. This one is just happens to be the biggest one that I could find on Amazon, and it's not that expensive, right? They have a bigger, more size of a wheel chock, but it's just too much. You might be able to do with the plastic one that has a smoother surface right here. I don't think that surface right there is gonna be a problem for me. Now, one thing that I noticed though when I was using this one today is that if you were to brace yourself using your toes, right, this thing will go that way, right? So where it could be an injury problem there waiting to happen. So what I suggest is you use your whole foot and you brace with the heel, right? Because the heel, it's touching this right here, right? So if you brace with the heel right there, now today I was able to load up a lot more weight than that. So again, when I mentioned it at the beginning of the video, I do not know if this idea is going to work for all of you out there, but I am hoping that it will work for the majority of you guys. And if it did help, please hit that thumb up button right there. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And thank you so much for tuning in once again. And I will see all of you on the next one.